Good morning to children. In previous class we completed exercise 2.5. 9 problems are completed. Now we are going to the 10th problem. See ma, if a train runs at 40 kilometer per hour, it reaches its destination late by 11 minutes. But if it runs at 50 kilometer per hour, it is late by 5 minutes only. Find the distance to be covered by the train. Solution Seema. Let the distance equal to x kilometer. Let the distance equal to x kilometer. Time taken x kilometer at 40 kilometer per hour. Time taken to cover x kilometer at 40 kilometer per hour. Time taken to cover x kilometer at 40 kilometer per hour ma. X by 40. Okay, x by 40. Next, time taken to cover x kilometers at 50 kilometer per hour. Equal to x by 50. Next, the difference between two timings. The difference between two timings equal to, see ma here, two timings difference 11 minutes later and 5 minutes later. So 11 minus 5 equal to 11 minus 5 6 minutes. Here we convert to the hours. Means 6 by 60. How many minutes in 1 hour ma? 60 minutes. So 1 minute equal to 1 by 60 hour. So 6 ones 6 times equal to 1 by 10 hour. Here for time taken to cover x kilometer at 40 kilometer per hour equal x by 40 hours. Here x by 50 hours. Okay. Now according to the problem, the difference between two timings means x by 40 minus x by 50. X by 40 minus x by 50 equal to 11 minus 5 minutes. 6 minutes means 1 by 10 hour. Now 40, 50 LCM 200. So first fraction sigma 40 how many times in 200? 5 times. Now 5 into numerator x, 5x minus the second fraction 50 how many times in 200? 4 times. 4 into numerator 4x equal to 1 by 10. Now 5x minus 4x x by 200 equal to 1 by 10. Now x equal 200 by left side division ma, transposing LHS to RHS multiplication. Now 200 by 10. 10 ones 10 twos are 20. X equal to 20. Therefore x means the distance. Therefore the distance equal 20 kilometers. Once again see ma, let the distance equal x kilometers. Time taken to cover at 40 kilometer per hour equal x by 40 hour. Time taken to cover x kilometer at 50 kilometer per hour equal x by 50 hour. Okay, the difference between two timings 11 minus 5 means 6 minutes. Okay, convert to the hours. 6 by 60. 6 ones 6 times 1 by 10 hour. According to the problem, x by 40 minus x by 50 equal to 1 by 10. 40, 50 LCM 200. Okay, 5 minus 4 1. So x by 200 equal to 1 by 10. Now x equal 200 by 10. 10 ones, 10 20s. X equal to 20. X means what my here? The distance. Therefore, the distance equal to 20 kilometers. Next 11th problem, Seema. 1/4 of herd of deer. 1/4 of herd of deer has gone to the forest. Has gone to the forest. 1/3 of the total number. 1/3 of total number is grazing in a field. Grazing in a field, and remaining 15 are drinking water on the bank of a river. Remaining 15 are drinking water on the bank of a river. Find the total number of deer. Find the total number of deer. We don't know. Find the total number of deer. We don't know. That's why let total number of deer. Total number of deer equal to x. The total number of deer equal to x. Number of deer has gone to the forest. Number of deer has gone to the forest. Has gone to the forest. Equal to 1/4. 1/4 means 1/4 into x. 1/4 into x equal to x by 4. 1/4 into x equal to x by 4. Number of deer grazing in a field. Grazing in a field equal to 1/3. 1/3 of a total means 1/3 into x. 1/3 means 1/3. Now x by 3. Okay. Next, number of deer drinking water. Number of deer drinking water on the bank of river. On the bank of river equal to 15. Number of deer has gone to the forest, x by 4. Number of deer grazing in a field, x by 3. Number of deer drinking water on the bank of river, 15. Okay. Now according to the problem, Seema, x by 4 plus x by 3 plus 15 equal to x. So total number of deer means has gone to the deer plus gone to the forest plus remaining drinking water deer. Okay, so x by 4 plus x by 3 plus 15 equal to x. Now x by 4 plus x by 3 minus plus x, right side plus x is there. Transposing RHS to LHS minus x equal to plus 15. Transposing LHS to RHS minus 15. Now LCM 4 3 LCM 12. 4 how many times in 12? 3 times. 3 into numerator 3x plus 3 how many times in 12? 4 times. 4 into numerator 4x minus x means by 1. X by 1. 1 12 times minus 12x equal to minus 15. 3x plus 4x 7x. 7x minus 12x by 12 equal minus 15. 7 minus 12 minus 5. Minus 5x equal minus 15 into 12. Here left side division mark, transposing LHS to RHS into minus 5x equal 12 5 is 60. 12 1 is 12 plus 6 18 minus 180. Minus 5x equal to minus 180. Now x equal minus 180 by minus 5. Minus minus cancel. 5 table. 5 3 is 15. 5 6 is 30. 5 3 is 15. Oh 3 0 5 6 is 30. Now x equal to 36. X means therefore total number of deer. Total number of deer equal to 36. Total number of deer equal to 36. Okay. This is the 11th one. Next 12th one, see, by selling a radio for 903 rupees. 903 rupees. A shopkeeper gains 5%. A shopkeeper gains 5%. Find the cost price of the radio. Find the cost price of the radio. We don't know the cost price of the radio. Let the cost price of the radio. Let the cost price of the radio. The cost price of the radio equal to X rupees. The cost price of the radio X rupees. Okay, next gain on it. Gain on it. Selling price also given ma. Selling price of the radio. Selling price. Selling price of the radio. Selling price of the radio equal 903 rupees. 903 rupees. Okay, gain means 5%. Gain equal 5%. Gain equal to 5% of cost price. Cost price 5% of cost price. Okay. Now 5% of X equal to 5 by 100 into X. 5% of X means 5 by 100 into X. 5 ones 5 20s equal to X by 20. Gain equal to X by 20. We know that gain equal formula. Gain equal selling price minus cost price. Selling price minus cost price. Selling price minus cost price. We want cost price. Cost price equal selling price plus gain. Selling price minus gain. Cost price X equal to selling price 903 rupees minus gain means X by 20. Now X plus X by 20 equal to 903. X plus X by 20 equal to 903. Here minus X by 20 transposing RHS to LHS plus X by 20. Here LCM 20. 20x plus X. 20x plus X equal to 903. 20 plus X 1 no. 20 plus 1 21. 21x by 20 equal to 903. Now 21x equal 903 into 20. Here division ma transposing LHS to RHS into x equal 903 into 20 by 21. 903 into 20 by 21. Now here 21 ones, 21 fours, 84, 63 threes, 21 threes. X equal 43 into 20. 43 into 20 means 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 860. Therefore, X means what my here? Cost price. Therefore, cost price equal 860 rupees. 860 rupees. See ma, the cost price of the radio X rupees. Selling price of the radio 903 rupees. Gain 5% of X. 5 by 100 into X equal X by 20. Gain equal, we know that formula SP minus CP. Selling price minus cost price. Cost price X equal 903 minus X by 20. Transposing LHS to RHS plus X plus X by 20 equal to 903. LCM 20. 20x plus X equal 903. 21 by 20x equal 903. Now 21x equal to left side division ma transposing LHS to RHS multiplication. 903 into 20. X equal 903 into 20 by 21. 21 ones, 21 43s. X equal to 860. Cost price equal to 860 rupees. Okay, understood? Next, last problem. 13th problem. Shekhar gives a quarter of his sweets to Renu and then gives 5 sweets to Rajiv. He has 7 sweets left. How many did he have starts with? Okay, solution. Let number of sweets Shekhar has. Shekhar has X. Let number of sweets Shekhar has X. Number of sweets given to Renu equal to quarter of his sweets. Quarter means X by 4. Next, number of sweets given to Raji. Number of sweets given to Raji, 5 sweets. Number of sweets left with him 7. Okay, left with him 7. According to the problem, x by 4 plus 5 plus 7 equal to x. X by 4 plus 5 plus 7, 12 equal to x. X by 4 minus x equal to minus 12. Plus x transposing LHS to RHS minus. Now LCM 4. X minus 4x equal to minus 12. Minus 3x equal minus 12 into 4. X equal minus 48 by minus 3. 3 cancel. 3 ones 3 16s. X equal to 16. Therefore, number of sweets Shekhar has equal to 16 sweets. Okay, understood ma? Today's enough. Thank you.